a new vlog. Okay, I don't even know what's available a vlog today, but I'm home. I've been procrastinating since Friday. We but anyways, welcome to a new vlog. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Shiska Kabashe, but you can call me Miss Kabashe, the beautiful one. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi babe, welcome back home. Okay, welcome back to the beautiful family. I don't know if I showed you guys my nails. I don't think so, but this is Bashile, so don't look at that. But yeah, I think I'm starting a vlog today. I have nothing much. Honestly, I do not have plans. I was supposed to start on Friday because Lapo Bigyo created actually content, but because me being me, I'm starting today and I don't even have much. But it is currently 11 and it is 11 March today. I think the last time I vlogged was 24 February. So yazini khombisa ukuthi kuyanyukela, kuyakhuphuka kuyanyukela. Akuvlogeki guys. So that's why I keep trying. So I hope this pulls up because I've been just studying intros and then the rest of the thing vlog, you know what I'm saying? So I hope this actually becomes like a full vlog. So we'll see how it goes. I'm about to eat right now. Exeni I had a mango, which it's still morning right now, but I had a mango. I think it was around what? 9? So njengoba 11 manje. I'm about to eat yesterday's leftovers. So let's have that. I hope this vlog vlogs. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this vlog and yeah, as the day goes. Yeah, so pulela lapho.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I Grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be to you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened.
You guys are good and enjoying the vlog, and yeah, let's drive and focus on the road. Hi guys, yo, khathalekile, like the way kushisa ngakhona, shengafethu, like it's quite crazy. Let me extend this, I hope it's right. Let's see. The way kushisa ngakhona, like it's quite crazy. But we just got back to our place. Sifike last kakpan. I wouldn't know, hey, like I really wouldn't know. As I'm really checking. I think it was around. I'd be lying. I'd be lying over ngazi. I'd be guessing food. So I'll just write it down there. Because it's figures Kadbani and then what time it is right now. But I'm so tired. I feel like I just need to take a nap. And at least like Johannesburg is like quite cooling. Yo, Yabona from Pretoria going that way. I could feel it here. Like I feel like, you know what, I'm getting drained right now. So I feel like here, like my place is so cooling. Yo, bona. And I feel like also the heat is yangenza ukuthi ngifeel njani skin sami nje savele nakwaba vele too much, but we back to our place. Feels good to be back. And went to the doctor, and oh, she really confirmed what I was hoping is not, even though I knew, but it is eczema. And wona like yo, so I'll just have to deal with it. And also my body going down, say right. Ooh, I forgot. My body going down, say right. It's now my face. My face is getting worse, and it's the small chuchuvas, the small like pimples, the small rash that's there, and it's the one that we're focusing on right now. And also we do have something for my body as well, but she said I should actually continue with my Epimax cream. So for my body I'm using Epimax cream, and then sadly for Iposha M, but Iposha M like disappointing even way before being near with the doctor, even way before she mentioned anything. I used to ufaka Iposha M, right, and bona bengisebenzela, but after winter, because I started using it winter last year. Before that vele nange-winter yaba right ithe makufika isummer ngabona ukuthi it's starting to change, like ayisafani for my skin. It just became like my skin beyiba like dry, you know. So recently man senginaka kakhulu, because I'm also seeing like I'm even getting a rash. Ngiyabona ukuthi every time ngigcobisa the cream, my face becomes dry. Ngathi ngifake black magic, dark magic. I don't know, there's this other one boyifaka like iyakuphafisa, so ngathi ngifake umphafu yo, so yazini nayo bengisengibona ukuthi ngathi nayo it's doing something. Anyways, the doctor recommended ukuthi vele ngivele ngiyistop because it is like making my face like very dry, and angazi ukuthi change kuphi because it used to make my face like so moist, like yo beyithanda. Anyways, I won't be using it anymore, and I have these samples that I need to try out. The doctor recommended it's Cetaphil. Yo, I hope it's not pricey because one thing about me, I will mistinch, but if this works, we're gonna try this. She gave me bottles of these. Akhona amanye, I'm gonna try these out and see ukuthi angiphatha njani for a month, and then after that I'm gonna go back sibone ukuthi is there improvement or whatnot. I'm sorry if ngiyaswinga guys, I'm holding it with my hand and my hand is starting to have a cramp. But yeah, I'm gonna try these out and see how it goes. And already I just washed my face with it and I feel like my face feels quite nice. But so bona ukuthi i-rush yona isaphi, because I don't know if y'all will be able to see, but like i-rush yona ikhona, you know. I can't see the camera kahle, but I hope y'all can see like my skin kune-rush going on, especially on my face, and my face ayibi ne-rush. And there was a time I was like, no man, why is my face becoming like this? Like kula malanga iba ne-rush and my face ayibi ne-rush. So ngiyabona ukuthi kudala le attack ikhona. Anyways, that's the update. Sizobona ke after a month ukuthi kwenzakalani. I'll keep on using these samples for the whole month. Sibone ukuthi what's popping, and then after that we'll see. So yeah, injalo indaba guys, but we back at our place. And yeah, sizobonana on the next vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Yo marashem, you know what, if anything I feel like the sun burnt me as well, so I think that's what makes it worse, because my skin is quite like sensitive when it comes to the sun. Me but very careful, but because I was doing e-washing at the farm, yo, I think that's when it burnt me. Yeah, yo. So you know what? I need to get sunscreen because in the especially when I go home, because home is so hot. Like, yo, crazy. Ebusuku akulali kuyashisa, ekuseni kuyashisa, emini kuyashisa. Anyways, let me go. I will see you guys definitely on the next vlog. Okay, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah,